This is how you're gonna tie a square knot. First, you're gonna wanna take this, you wanna go like this into like kind of an X. Then you're gonna wanna go under the loop and then pull. Not till it's tightened all around, but then after that, you're gonna want to do that again, but the opposite way. And there you go. That. The next part is to put your wind indicator on. It should look like this. And what you're gonna do is you're either gonna have something to hold it inside of here that you connect to it, and then you're gonna have it, and it should lock it in there, like this. See it? No, it should not be able to go anywhere. Put it in here. Put it in here. And you're gonna put it in here, in that little thing. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna put your spread up. You're gonna wanna put this thing in the hole and push that thing up. Okay, so after you put it on, you're gonna take this rope right here that's connected to the pulley, and you're gonna attach it to this little hole. Pause. There's this little lever right here that you're gonna pull, and it's gonna straighten out the sail, and it's gonna make you go faster in the water. This is what it looks like. When you're going on an upwind, your body should be facing kind of diagonal to the other side of the boat. And your sail should be fully in to the corner right here. When you're going downwind, your sail is 100% out and the wind is blowing into the sail, pushing you forward. Your body should be pointing forward with your knees forward.